Lesson 5. Know more about MS Word 2007. In this lesson, 1. Inserting clip art. 2. Inserting picture from file. 3. Inserting word art. 4. Inserting shapes. 5. Filling colors and give shadow effects in the shapes. 6. Selecting group and ungroup objects. 7. Inserting symbols. 8. Inserting headers and footers. 9. Changing case. 10. Applying page borders and page color. Introduction. You have already learned that MS Word is a word processing application software. It is a part of the MS Office package. You have already studied about MS Word 2007. Have a look at the MS Word 2007 screen. In this chapter, we will learn more about MS Word 2007. Quick Access Toolbar, Office button, Cursor, Status bar, Minimize button, Maximize button, Close button, Ribbon, Document area, Title bar, MS Word window. Computer manners. If you are asked to move a computer equipment within the lab, unhook all equipments from the computer and avoid cable tripping. How to insert clip art. A document becomes more attractive when pictures are added to it. You can insert pictures of your choice at the desired place in MS Word. MS Word contains a ready-made picture gallery known as clip art that consists of several categories of clip art images. The following steps are taken up in order to insert clip art. Step 1. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click Clip Art from the illustration group. On the right side of the screen, the Clip Art task pane appears. Step 3. Write the name of the clip you want in the search for box, for example, animals, and click the Go button. Many animals appear. Step 4. Select any picture of your choice and click on it. Clip art is inserted in your document. It can be dragged and placed at some other place. Also, you can resize it. How to insert pictures. A picture can also be inserted from a file in your document. Take the following steps to insert a picture from file. Step 1. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click Picture from the illustration group. The Insert Picture dialog box opens as shown below. Step 3. Select the picture from the desired location. Step 4. Click the Insert button. Thus, the picture of your choice is inserted in your document. How to insert word art. In MS Word, word art is an option which is applied to make text attractive in a document. With the help of word art, text can be written in different styles. It is used to create colored, shadowed, or rotated text. The following steps are opted in case of inserting word art text. Step 1. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click Word Art from the text group. The Word Art gallery appears. Step 3. Select the style as you wish. The Edit Word Art text dialog box opens. Step 4. Choose the font and size for your text. Step 5. Type the text. Step 6. Click the OK button. Practice time. Prepare a document on corruption. Use word art and clip art features. Guidelines. Corruption. Corruption is widespread in our country. It has become a stumbling block in the path of progress. Though a slew of measures have been taken to get rid of it, but they fail to do so. Use word art for heading. Type the lines about corruption. Insert a picture from file. Insert pictures using clip art. How to insert shapes. Look at the following pictures. These are called shapes. In order to insert shapes into your document, it is not necessary to draw them. MS Word provides ready-made shapes which can be inserted directly into a document. Different types of shapes like lines, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, stars and banners, callouts, etc. are present in MS Word Shape Gallery. The following steps are taken up in order to insert the shapes. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click Shapes from the illustration group. A gallery with different groups of shapes appears. Step 3. Click on the shape and drag to draw it on the document. When the shape is drawn, a new Format tab automatically appears, displaying drawing tools to format the shape you have drawn. Shape Fill. The following given steps are taken in order to fill color in the shape. Step 1. Double-click on the shape to select the figure. The Format tab opens. Step 2. Click Shape Fill. A list appears. Step 3. Select the desired color from the list. The figure is filled with color. Shadow Effects. The following steps are taken in order to add the shadow effects on the shape. Step 1. Double-click on the shape to select the figure. The Format tab opens. Step 2. Click Shadow Effects from Shadow Effects group. A gallery of shadow styles will be displayed. Step 3. Click the style you want. Your figure has got a shadow now. Remember, clip art is a ready-made picture gallery. Shapes are group of a ready-made shapes. Practice time. Draw the following figures and shapes and fill them as shown with the color. How to select and color objects or shapes. Let us group the three different objects. You can select all of them and stack them together and then group them together as one. The following given steps are taken in order to group the object. Step 1. First stack them or place them as you would want them to by using Shift key combination. Release the mouse to see all the three objects selected. Step 2. Now right-click on the objects. From the shortcut menu, click Grouping, then Group option. After grouping, when all objects are put together in a group, try to drag and move them. They will move together as one object. If you wish to ungroup the objects, take the following steps. Step 1. Right-click on the object. Step 2. Click on the grouping, then ungroup option from the shortcut menu. The objects or shapes get ungrouped. How to insert symbols. Consider about the below mentioned images. They are neither pictures from the clip art nor figures from shapes. These special symbols are not found even on your keyboard. But different types of symbols may be inserted in MS Word. The following are the steps to add symbols. Step 1. Place the cursor where you want to insert the symbol. Step 2. Click the Insert tab. Step 3. Click Symbol This from Symbols group. A list of symbols appears. Step 4. Select the symbol you require. You see the symbol inserted at the position of the cursor. Practice time. 1. Insert the following currency symbols: pi, copyright sign, alpha. 2. Insert the following objects from shapes and arrange them one over the other. Fill colors as shown. 3. Group them together using the grouping, then group option. Now try to move the picture. 4. Now ungroup the objects using the ungroup option. Header and footer. The area of the top margin of each page, that is called header, and the area of bottom margin is called footer. You can insert text or graphics in header and footer. For example, you can insert page number, date, a company's logo, document's title or file name in header and footer areas. These are normally printed at the top or bottom of each page in a document. The following steps are followed in order to insert header. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click Header, this from the header and footer group. A gallery appears. Step 3. Choose the style of your choice. Step 4. Now type the text you want at the top of each page. Step 5. Now click Close Header and Footer, this from Close Group in this Design tab. The following steps are taken to insert footer. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click Footer, this from header and footer group. A gallery appears. Step 3. Choose the style of your choice. Step 4. Now write the text from the footer and click Close Header and Footer, this from the Close group in the Design tab. After inserting footer, header and footer. The following steps are taken in order to insert page number. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click page number, this from header and footer group. A drop-down list appears. Step 3. Choose the location for the page number. Step 4. Choose the style you want and click Close Header and Footer, this from Close Group in the Design tab. You see page number inserted on each of the page of the document. Remember, in case the header and footer dialog box is active, you cannot modify the document. Likewise, when you close header and footer dialog box, you can modify it. How to change case? The change case option is used when you have typed entire page in small letters and later on you want to convert the letters into capital ones. You don't have to retype the entire page again. You will just have to use the change case option. Uppercase means capital letters and lowercase means small letters. There are 5 case options in MS Word 2007 which are as follows. Case option, sentence case, effect of the case. This capitalizes the first character in the sentence. Case option, lowercase, effect of the case. This converts all the selected characters to lowercase. Case option, uppercase, effect of the case. This converts the text to uppercase. Case option, capitalize each word. Effect of the case. This capitalizes the first character of every word. Case option, toggle case. Effect of the case. This reverses the existing case. The following steps are followed in case you want to change the case of any text. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click Home tab. Step 3. Click Change Case. this from the font group and select the required case from the list. Page border. If you wish to have different types of borders to your page, you have to opt for page border option. The following steps are followed in case you want to apply page borders. Step 1. Click the Page Layout tab. Step 2. Click Page Borders this from Page Background group. The Borders and Shading dialog box appears with Page Border tab opened by default. Step 3. Choose the style, color and width for the border. Step 4. Click the OK button. In the preview window, the look of the text can be viewed to ensure the result. This makes the selected text or the page look according to the option you have chosen. Practice time. Create a document on food and apply page border to it. Guidelines. Step 1. Type the text and apply formatting as shown. Step 2. Click Page Layout tab on the ribbon. Then Page Borders. Step 3. Choose the style of border. For example, click Style and choose any one border from the list. Step 4. Click OK. Page color. Generally, you apply color to the entire page. The following steps are taken in order to apply color to a page. Step 1. Click Page Layout tab. Step 2. Click Page Color this in the Page Background group. Step 3. Choose any color from the color palette and see the effect on the page. Quick steps. To see key tips on the ribbon, press Alt. To deselect the key tips, press Space bar. To open Home tab, press Alt plus H. To open Insert tab, press Alt plus N. To open Page Layout tab, press Alt plus P. Quick recap. MS Word contains a ready-made picture gallery called clip art that we can insert in our document directly. Word art is the option in MS Word that is used to insert attractive text in a document. Shapes are a group of ready-made shapes that we can insert directly into our document. Insert tab contains various kinds of shapes, pictures and symbols. There are 5 change case options that can be applied in a text. The top margin of each page is called header and the bottom margin of each page is called footer. Different types of borders and colors may be applied to text using Page Layout tab. Words to remember. Shadow, dark shape that is formed as background. Shapes, the form of the outer edges. Symbols, a sign, number, letter, etc. that has a certain meaning.